Good afternoon, sir. This is Suhana BU with the batch code 03. I'm here to give a seminar on my internship experience, which I carried out at Yami Technologies Private Limited in the Android application development and bug tracking department under the external guidance of Mr. Srinivas RC, founder and CEO at Yami Technologies Private Limited, and with the internal guidance of Professor Honaraju B. Let me start my presentation with a brief introduction about the company. Yami Technologies Private Limited is one of the non-government companies in India with an authorized share capital of 10 lakh rupees. Its vision is to serve business activities and solving problems in Android applications and bringing the change. The contact and website information is as shown. Mr. Srinivas RC is the founder and CEO of Yami Technologies, who have a keen interest or focus on the product's behavior and tackling the key challenges. In the company, I worked in a department called Android Application Development Testing and Bug Tracking as a beta tester under the Scrum named the Rhinos for the Android application called Yami. Yami is a social networking platform like Instagram or Facebook, uh, which is used to spread happiness and fun by allowing its users to share their life moments to their friends, family, and many more, and also to find like minded people by posting stories to the circle. Let me start a brief introduction about the department activities. Firstly, beta testing. Beta testing is one of the type of acceptance testing where the product team gives a nearly finished product to a group of people called beta testers. I'm one of them who validates the functionality, usability, reliability, and compatibility of the product in different environment or versions of Android in order to ensure its performance under real workloading conditions without having harming the speed, storage, and scalability of the product. Secondly, bug tracking. Bug tracking is a process of keeping track of software bugs and its resolutions. There are multiple bug tracking systems available to store information about the reported bugs. Yami Technologies uses New Labs backlog tool to store the bugs. During my internship as a beta tester, I was given with a certain responsibilities. Firstly, to conduct tests on pre-released versions of the product across different Android versions. Secondly, to handle the task of validating the bugs and preparing the beta test results. Finally, reporting the test results in the backlog tool by the end of the day with relevant screenshots and description about the bugs. During the internship, I gained some of the technicals and non technical skills. Technical skills such as hands on experience in beta testing, which requires the application of classroom learning, knowledge about backlog tool. Backlog is a tool that is used to report bugs and keep track of it, and knowing about how a company keeps track of the development steps in order to achieve their final product. Thirdly, to identify, document, and report the bug or issues based on infinite testing conducted on that product at every end of the day. Some of the non-technical skills are uh, creating and creativity in solving the given problem with different techniques or strategies applied on the product. Verbal and non-verbal or written communications, the right way of documenting or expressing the details of the product. Time management, as testing needs to be conducted at regularly, and allocating time for testing and reporting bugs is to be carried out in an effective way in order to achieve the final product. Responsibility handling, it involves completing the task given within the targeted time limit by the company. Some of the benefits I gained from this internship are valuable work experience as a beta tester, developing and refinement of my skills, learning new skills and practical exploration of the classroom teaching concepts, building confidence to express my ideas or thoughts towards the growth of the product or the development process, creating a professional network with the company as well as with my colleagues, assessing interest and a career exploration path that I need if I would like to be a beta tester in future. Yep, that's all about my internship experience as a beta tester in the company. Finally, this is my internship completion certificate from the Yummy Technologies Private Limited. My internship duration was about 1 month, starting from 10th August 2020 to 24th September 2020.